All right, what's good? Leekautorepair, another video for y'all. So, watching this video like a week ago. I know y'all can't see me, but we in tune with this view, so y'all pay attention to that. So, another YouTuber called Triangle Diagnostics, and I checked out his channel and some vids or whatever, only because I think I got 1 or 2 vids that comes up in like the on the same category, or like a video suggested with mine on a side panel or whatever. I don't know. I saw one of his videos. I checked it out or whatever. For the most part, I had looked this job up just to research this because it was told that you could do it in a car. It's easier to take the engine out. When I saw Triangle Diagnostics video, you know, I left him a comment or whatever, and his idea. All right, that's cool. His idea of taking it out wasn't a bad idea, only because taking this timing cover off while it's inside of the engine. I didn't even tell y'all what car I was working on. It was a 2013, I think, or 2012, 2013.
Leekauto, baby.
That's right, 2013 Ford Taurus, yeah, with the 3.5. So it was a pain in the ass doing it in the engine. I'm doing it inside of the car. Like taking the engine out was way faster than stripping everything down while it's inside of the car. So can you do it inside of the car? Yes, but it's way faster to take it out. So I took the whole thing out with the transmission. I got the whole power plant right here or whatever. So the reason, you know, with this whole thing or whatever, there's an issue with the water pump. The water pump was leaking. There's a weak hole right here. If you see this, the water pump is right here, but if you follow all the way over past this guide and this 1 8mm bolt right here, there's like a little passageway inside of here, and on the back side of it is a hole. Water antifreeze is leaking out of here, and not only that, the engine was making like a lot of noise. It was like a whining noise slash rattle. When you hit the gas, it gets louder. Definitely, the car doesn't even have any like good performance or nothing like that. There was a check engine light on for, I think, a P0016, I believe. It was for the bank one, the crank correlation. We all know, if you familiar with doing engines and timing chains, we all know what the correlation code's for. This sprocket right here for the water pump, when I took this whole timing cover off, I'm gonna leave pictures and everything. For the most part, y'all in tune with this view right here. So the sprocket is like mad cocked. Not only was it cocked, but it dug into the water pump, and metal shavings got all down in the engine. So whenever you be like an engine or transmission or differential or transfer case, if you got spinning parts and then something falls inside of it, you will have metal debris all through the component. So I recommended, before I even started this job, based on the noise, and this engine has 160,000 miles on it, I told the customer, you should just replace the engine, because you could probably get a used engine for like $650, $700, $900. I don't know. That's up for you to work out a deal with whoever you getting the used engine from or whatever. So I recommended to get another engine. He swore up and down it's just a water pump. It could be something like a timing chain or something. I'm like, Mom, I know what bad timing chain. I know what messed up guides and not messed up. I know what fucked up guides is, and I just know what shit sound like when it's fucked up, just based off of experience or whatever. So he just wanted to strip it down. He wanted some assurance. I gave him some goddamn assurance. So he ain't gonna like the phone call tomorrow. So basically, he gonna get a new engine, because when I went to go try to rotate the crank, I just wanted to see if the engine was still timing or whatever. So when I rotated the crank, right, the crank would not move, right. So I tried to go reverse. I just wanted it to move a little bit, like just to see whatever. When I moved the crank a little bit, the bitch jumped. Like it jumped like 3 teeth. So I said, it's apparent, because I got the crank correlation code, it's very apparent that the timing chains jumped a few teeth, a T2 or 3, whatever, I don't know. It's definitely off timing if this had fucked up, because this is almost on its way out, definitely, and shit. So it's not even on the chain. It's not, the chain is not even on the sprocket all the way. It's like on its way coming out. So I'm not even, and there's no doubt that this definitely jumped. It definitely did. I'm not stupid. It had to happen. This the timing tensioner right here, the auto tensioner. If you can see this plunger right here, this plunger is way out, way past out. I know it's way past out because there's a wear mark right here where it normally rests at. But this wear mark is all the way extended like a quarter of an inch. So if you got a timing, the tensioner for it, it's all the way, it's not supposed to be all the way out. That's because you had mad slack and they try to compensate just to make it tight. But for the most part, he needs an engine. It's recommended. These are common problems. I don't know what whoever shares the 3.5, the 4 Flex, the the 4 Flex, the 4 Fusion, the 4 Taurus, whatever. Common problem. Water pump failed. It leaks. You got to replace it. God, like I said, guys, they did this with inside of the car. I'm not doing it inside of the fuck. Nah, I took the fucking engine out because it didn't take me long. It took me, I'll lie to you now, like 2 hours to get the engine out. 2 hours to get the engine out versus probably 4 hours before I can get to get to the fucking time and shit. I'm just being fucking real with you. So luckily, I took the engine out because it needs another engine anyway. So we're gonna sell the engine to the customer. He needs to make a move. He needs to do whatever. I ended up putting the subframe back on and pushing the car right outside. So it's outside, out the way. I got a timing belt job right behind me on the 2002 Mitsubishi Galant. And I was supposed to be doing a water pump on it. Water pump, timing belt, all that or whatever. Gonna turn a little bit to a disaster now because it's the belt for the balance shaft and the oil pump like shared off. So whatever. Just wanted a video, cool video. Just wanted to show you guys whoever got problems, whoever want to know what you got to do to get the job done, whoever got cam problems, or whoever want to know why the water pump fell, or you just wanted to see me watch this, whatever your ordeal is, I don't know. You just wanted to watch the video. Hopefully I'm helpful. Can you do this in your driveway? No, I don't fucking recommend doing this in your, well, you could, if you want to do the timing chains inside of your car in your driveway, yes, but you want to remove this shit, whatever, it's up to you. I don't know. I just do, this shit needs to be done in the shop. That's all I know. It just makes your life a whole lot fucking easier. And that's all I got to say. I'm Leekautorepair. I didn't even drink my soda the whole time. Let me, hold on. Good. So, whatever, let me start over. Outro, start over again. Leekautorepair, I'm signing out. I'll holla at y'all. Y'all hit the like button, y'all hit the subscribe button, all that good shit. Leave a comment. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If you ever done one of these jobs before, leave a comment, whatever. I don't know. Hopefully I can help out everybody. And like I said, by now you already saw the extra pictures and shit. I left the failed components or whatever. So, that's all I got to say. It's Leekautorepair. I'm out.